Hi, I'm Chef Rick Tarantino, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to cook egg roll wrapped baked mozzarella sticks right here. They're great, they're tasty, and I'm even going to show you a Chef Rick tip. We're going to fry some on the stove. So first we're going to start off with some nice mozzarella sticks. Then we're going to get some egg roll wrappers. Now when you get these in the supermarket and you take them out, make sure you cover them with a damp paper towel to keep them moist because you don't want them to dry out when we're working with them. I'm going to use a non-stick pan from my oven, and we're going to get started. Okay, we're going to start by preheating our pan and our oil to 350 degrees on the stovetop. I've got 4 cups of oil, or 1 quart. I'm going to gently pour it into our pan. Here we go, about 350, 360 degree oil. It's just about perfect. Once you get to temperature, lower your heat down to about medium so it stays right about 350. You want it to recuperate each time you add a product to 350 degrees. All right, let's get started making our egg roll wrapped baked mozzarella sticks. I've got my egg rolls right here. I covered them with a paper towel to keep them moist. To begin, I'm going to uncover my egg rolls. I've got them covered with a damp paper towel to keep them moist. I'm going to start with 1 egg roll wrapper. Separate it. I'm going to place it down, sort of at a diagonal. I'm going to take my mozzarella cheese stick, place it here, almost in the middle. I'm going to fold it up like that. I like to use a little bit of water right here just to make it stick. Then I'm going to roll it. Then I'm going to fold in the ends. You can actually fry these as well, or you can bake them if you like them a little healthier. But if you use nice fresh frying oil, canola oil or something similar, you won't have to worry about calories. It's cholesterol free, and fresh oil doesn't absorb into the food product. Old oil absorbs into the food product. Now before you bake them, I'd like to brush them with a little olive oil just to help them brown. Just like that. Not a heavy coat, just a light coat. If you want, you can roll them over. Get the back sides. Love this egg wrapper roll because it crisps up so nice. I'm going to put that in the oven for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees or until they get nice, brown, and crispy. All right, I'm going to show you a twist on this dish. The egg roll wrapper baked mozzarella, but fried this time. So I got my oil heated to 350. Going to put them in very carefully. Don't drop them. They're going to cook up really fast. I put them in individually like this so they don't stick. Now as they cook, I move them around just a bit. You'll see them cooking really quickly just like that. Just a few seconds, they're going to be done. So you're going to get a plate with some paper towel. Just going to take them out one by one. That's how fast they cooked. And we're going to plate these up, maybe with some fresh mozzarella sauce, little cheese. Now doesn't that look great? That's the Chef Rick version of egg roll wrapped fried mozzarella sticks. I'm going to garnish it with just a little bit of cheese. Serve that with a fresh marinara sauce, and you got a snack for that game day. Now let's take a look at one of these babies inside. Oh, look at that gooey, ooey string cheese. All right, I pulled my egg roll wrapped mozzarella sticks out of the oven. You can see how nice and golden brown they are. We're going to plate these up. They look delicious baked. They're going to be ooey and gooey. Just delicious. I'm going to finish that with just a little bit of tomato sauce on there. This makes a lovely appetizer. A little bit of cheese and a pinch of parsley. Now that's how you make a great egg roll wrapped baked mozzarella stick, or my version fried. I'm Chef Rick Tarantino. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.